up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy you found my channel. I like to do fashion and craft DIYs and all kinds of other fun stuff. So if you like this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload a video. Alright guys, in today's video, I have friend mail! Yay! So Kelly from Kelly's Unboxing Edition sent me a box of goodies, and she did let me know that it was coming, and I'm really excited to see what's inside. So without further ado, let's open this thing. Okay guys, before I unbox this box of goodies, if you guys are not familiar with Kelly, please make sure that you jump over and check her out right if you're done watching this video. I will have a link in the description box below. She is a super sweet lady who does all kinds of fun unboxings on her channel. She's really fun to watch and you can learn a lot from her on her channel. So if you're not subscribed or haven't checked out her channel, please take the time to do that after you're done watching this video. Okay guys, I am not sure what's in this thing. I'm really excited to open it up and see, but here's my box. Woohoo! So excited. She just said that she sent me some things that she thought that I could use and that I would like. So let's get started. Here's what it looks like when I open it up inside. We have all these fun squigglies, and I do have a use for squigglies. Oh look guys, that's like a lot. That's awesome. So I actually have a use for the squigglies. She could have just sent me a box of that and I would have been happy. Okay guys, let's go ahead and dig in here. Ooh, are these earrings? Ah, these are so fun! Look at this! I'm sure you guys can't see through the thing, but the purple mesh bag is perfect in itself. And then you have these super cool earrings. Oh my gosh, stop it! Look at how fun these are! I love these guys. These are so fun. I hope you guys are seeing them. I'll put it up against my skin to make it a little bit easier for you guys to see these earrings. Oh my gosh, I'm super stoked, guys. These are so fun. I'm really excited about the earrings. Ah, thank you, Kelly. That is so fun. Ooh, I did not get this Ipsy glam bag, and I had no idea that I didn't get the same glam bag as everybody else because I hadn't watched anybody else's videos, but she sent it to me. Ah, look how cute that is. Guys, I love my Ipsy glam bags. I really do. Ooh, this is like three-dimensional little lips are. That's cool. So I'm really excited about that. I did not get this one. Not sure why I didn't get this one, but I'm happy to have it now. So thank you, Kelly. That's awesome. Ooh, I don't have, ooh, there's something in this one. I don't have this one either. That is a nice one. So super fun. Ooh, we got some stuff in this one though, guys. Let's see what she's got in here. Ooh, Clinique. So it's a Clinique eyeshadow palette. Those are fun colors. Can you guys see that? I hope that you guys are getting that because I didn't want to, is it, oh, here we go. I thought it was like all plastic up, but it's not. Here you go, guys. Those are super pretty colors. Yay! I'm sure I could do some fun looks with that. I'm not a makeup artist or a makeup channel, but ooh, NYX Butter Gloss. Look at that, guys. I am going to pop this open because I definitely want to see what it is. I wanted to, guys, but I'm having trouble getting a hold of it. Darn it. I really want to see what this color is. Okay, here we go. We got it now. Sorry, guys. I don't want to, like, waste your time, but I also want to enjoy this and see all the super fun goodies that she sent to me. So I hope you guys can see it better out of the packaging now that I took that off because I'm definitely keeping this for sure. Here's what it looks like on the little applicator. And, ooh, pretty. Here's a swatcheroo. Look how pretty that is. Yay! That's awesome. Okay. Ooh, I'm excited about that. That is so super fun. What do we have here? It is fuller hair and brighter days lie ahead with volumizing conditioner bar. Never heard of such a thing, but I'm really excited to try it. She knows that I'm working on, you know, my hair in general. So hopefully this will help. I am excited to give it a try though. Ooh, it smells amazing. Here it is, like a little triangle shaped soap. I'll definitely give this a go, guys. It definitely won't hurt. I will try that. Ooh, thank you. That's awesome. Ooh, we have another Ipsy glam bag. That is awesome. Guys, I use these for gifts all the time. Ooh, this one's fun. There's something in this one. Look how fun that one is. Ah, it's got a mask on it. Oh my gosh, I love it. Love it. Oh, that is so fun. Oh my gosh, she's got all kinds of stuff in here. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Hold on. Oh my gosh, it's chock full of little awesome trinkets of things. Let's see what we got. Oh, are these they're patches? Ah, how fun! Oh my gosh, look at that. We got a little purse. Oh, stop it. Stop it, stop it. That is too much fun. Oh my gosh, I am going to have so much fun. Here's another little purse. I'm sure you guys are not as excited as I am right now, but I'm seriously jumping out of my skin. Oh my gosh, these are so fun. They're iron-on patches, guys. Oh, the possibilities. Oh, how fun are these? And then we have an R and a J iron-on patches. Yes! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, guys. Oh, this one says girls talk. We do all the time. Awesome. Oh my gosh, we got more fun ones, guys. I gotta show them. Oh, this one is so fun. Look at that. Ah, high heel shoe. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm gonna make such a cool outfit with that. And then we have a letter F. That is gonna be definitely good use for that. Oh my gosh, I love this flower. Look at the flower. Yes, please. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, guys. And then we have some more super pretty flowers. Definitely find a use for those. What is this? Oh, it's a charm. Oh, how fun. It's a basket charm with the letter E, and it's like an egg with the letter E and glitter. And then we have a it's a dragonfly, I think. Yeah, I think it's a dragonfly. I love iron-on patches, guys. They are so fun. Oh, that's going to be great for my fashion DIYs. How fun is that? Ooh, Super Mario Brothers air freshener. Stop it. That's fun. Look at that. Oh, that is so fun. I love it. Love it. That is so super fun, guys. Oh, wow. What is it? Stamper. Okay, so we have an alphabet stamper here. So it has all the letters of the alphabet. Oh my gosh, that is going to come in such good handy. Guys, I'm working on all kinds of super fun DIYs for you. I hope that even you non-DIYers will get some inspiration and start crafting. That would make me so incredibly happy. A foam. Oh, he's glitter. Look. Okay, so it's a foam gingerbread man, guys. I'm going to show you the back of it. He's all glittered up. How fun. Love it. Oh, I'm working on all of my, yes, I'm working on Christmas too, guys, because my craft show is like a mixture of fall and Christmas. So these are all bubble wrapped up, but I can tell it's a cow. Let's see what we got. Oh, I don't want to pop all the stuff. I have scissors back here, so I'm going to use them. She's got it taped pretty good because she obviously would not want it to break. And I don't want to break it either. Oh, so this is the bottom half. I think this is one. This is so cute. This is the bottom half, guys. I think this is one where you put, oh, what you call it in there. Let me find the head. Here's the head. Your dish scrubby thingamabobbers. I think that's what this one is for. That's where I plan on putting it anyways. That will be super cute in my kitchen. Oh my gosh, I gotta get this open. She bubble wrapped this so good, guys. She definitely made sure that it was not gonna arrive to me broken, which I really appreciate. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, let me put the head on and I'll show you the full thing, guys. I think that's what this is, isn't it? Am I right? Where you put your little scrubber in there? Or you could do whatever you want, really. I mean, this could be storage for whatever you want it to be. Maybe if I look at the bottom, it'll tell me what it's for. It's dishwasher. Not recommended for dishwasher or microwave use. Yeah, you would need to hand wash it, but it's so cute. Look at it. I love it. It is adorable. It is so adorable. I'm going to sit it there so that it will not break. And we have something else in here that is also breakable. So I'm going to go ahead and use my scissors to open that. Oh, lost some of my squiggly doos. I'm going to use that in a craft. I'm not even kidding. Okay. Let's open this up. See what we have. Oh, it's a creamer. Cream and sugar. So it's a cream and sugar thing. Okay, see? Cream and sugar. Like, and he has a hole right here in his mouth. How cute is that? Stop it. That is adorable. I don't know that I have ones like this. So they're a set, guys. Cream and sugar. Let me turn him around. Sorry. That's what you use them for. Cream and sugar. That is so incredibly cute and so incredibly sweet of her to send me so much awesome things. I think that was the last thing in there, guys. I will make sure. Ooh, but I got more squigglies and black and cold. Steeler colors. Oh, the possibilities. I am so excited, Kellie. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. I'm really, really stoked. You have no idea. My mind is like going 1,000 miles a minute thinking about what I'm going to use some of this stuff for. So I'm really excited. Kellie, that was so super sweet of you to take the time to send me such nice, beautiful things. I really appreciate it. Kellie is a huge supporter of my channel and me, and I greatly appreciate it. I have not made my way over to Kellie's channel in a little while, and I feel terrible about that because she puts out great content, guys. You guys gotta check her out. I'm definitely gonna play catch up on her channel as I'm crafting and getting all these DIYs ready for videos as well as my craft show. So I'm like working my way through all the channels that I fell a little bit behind on, and I will definitely make my way back over to Kellie's channel, and I hope that you guys do too. She is such a super sweet lady. Look at all the lovely things that she sent to me, and I'm really excited to get started on crafting. I can't wait. Guys, I seriously, I already have ideas for this stuff. I'm super stoked. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. And again, please make sure that you check Kellie out. I will have a link in the description box below. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! And honestly, she was one of the first people, I think, in this community that I reached out to and got to know a little bit better. And I'm so happy that...